Hello, beautiful people, guys, girls, everyone, hello! Thank you so much for tuning in and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special edition cooking episodes for you, which consists of 2 different videos. Now, we all know the 14th of February is approaching, the Day of Love, St. Valentine's Day, right? Well, I believe that every day is a day to share love, but I thought why not make something special and spice it up a little bit. In this episode, we're going to make one lovely and bread pizza dough, and I'm going to make it four different ways. 4 different ways, guys. You're gonna have so much space for creativity. I'm just gonna give you some tips and inspiration, and then you can do it however you want. And let's do it! Here we go. So for the base, we will need to blend the cooked bits first into a soft puree. You can either use pre-cooked vacuum-sealed bits or cook them yourself. Some chunks are fine, but just make sure there are no big chunks in the puree. Now add lukewarm water to a bowl, then add yeast, I'm using fresh, and beet puree and salt. Mix and then start adding the flour little by little until you form a dough that is soft but not sticky. Oil it on both sides and cover with a cloth and put somewhere warm and quiet. It will take an hour and a half to rise, and while waiting we'll prepare the carrot top pesto. Cut the carrot tops and give them a good thorough rinse and then dry. Add the seeds or nuts to a pan and fry until golden brown. Cut the carrot tops, making sure there are no bad dark bits in the batch. Add garlic, chopped in chunks. Then add olive oil, salt, and pepper. Then in goes the toasted seeds, give it a stir, and some oat milk to cream it up. Now blend until smooth. And once more or less blended, add nutritional yeast. Don't forget to try and dance to give the pesto some good vibes. It tasted so good, it really made me dance. Then transfer to a separate container that you can seal well.